Yeah, what's up, YouTube? So my friend got in contact with the people that own the car, and they said they'll consider an offer. So I'm gonna check the car out, see what type of condition it's in, and make them an offer. It doesn't look too bad. The interior is in real good condition, I must say. It don't smell funny or anything. No rips or tears in the seats. It's a pretty good condition, I must say, for a 20-year-old car. So I'm gonna check the car out. They gave my friend the key so I could take a look at it. I think they said it got some type of electrical issues. Sounds to me like maybe it's an alternator, but I'm gonna look it over and check it out. And then I'm gonna make them an offer and see if they accept. So stay tuned, YouTube. We're gonna see what's going on with this car. Yeah. So I checked the car out. It's got a few minor issues, typical BMW issues. I don't know if you can see, but look like it's leaking a little bit of power steering fluid, and that's all I can see right now. But car's in good condition. I believe that it has a bad alternator, putting air in the tires. The tires is taking air. Tires is taking air, so that's good. The car has 148,000 miles, which ain't too bad. It's a little dirty, but you know, nothing outrageous. Stereo looks to have a little spot on the screen, whatever. Minor stuff. Oh, headline's sagging, which is typical of a 20-year-old car. Minor things I can fix. I can do all that myself. But like I said, it seemed to be in good condition. And if it's only an alternator, then if I can get this for cheap, it'll be a steal. If it's only an alternator. I'm praying it's only an alternator. But it attempts to start. It start, but it won't stay running. I'm thinking it's the alternator. Being that the battery starts the car, the alternator keeps it running. I'm guessing it's the alternator. So, if that's all I gotta do is change the alternator, which I can do myself. I ain't gotta pay nobody to do it. Just gotta pay for the alternator. That'd be a steal if I could get this car for cheap. So I'm gonna throw them an offer after I finish really assessing the car and doing my research on what these cars go for, how much they worth in this type of condition. I'm gonna throw them an offer and see if they take it. Hopefully they do. And this will be my new project, my new build for the channel. Or maybe I could even flip it, depending on if somebody make me a good offer. I'll be willing to let it go for a decent profit. But I think this might be the car I'll go with. I was looking at that Nissan, which is a friend of mine's car, and it got a lot of more issues than I thought. So I don't think I'm gonna go with that Nissan. What I may do is, this is my friend's car, so I may help them fix it up. I may, do a few minor fixes for them. I know how to fix cars. I'm a mechanic, so I may do a few things for them to help them fix it up, get it in better running condition. They got a major oil leak, so I may help them with that. And other little minor things. I think it got a exhaust leak, but I'm gonna see if they want me to help them fix it up, and that way they can keep it. But yeah, it's a BMW X3. Feel like the bumper coming off right there. Put some air in these tires. The plastics is worn out, turning gray. Minor dent right there, that's an easy fix. I could throw some fiberglass on that. Headlights a little bit foggy. I could clean those off. I know how to take care of all that. All this right here I could do myself. I throw some fiberglass on there. Pull that dent out. It's plastic, so you just heat it up, pull it out. Some cracks in the paint. But yeah, seems to be a good car. If I could get it for cheap, it'd be a great car. But yeah, YouTube, so hopefully we'll be bringing this car to the channel. I could work on it. Might do a few mods, minor mods, and take it from there. See how y'all like it. You know, if y'all like it, you gotta show me some love. Likes, comments, share it, subscribe. Let me know y'all like it. If not, then I'll post some other content. But that's it, YouTube. Stay tuned. Let you know how it turns out, if they accept my offer and what's going on.